Hey everyone, Lauren Liddell here. Thank you for joining me on my Spindle Chick chat. Today we're going to be talking about what is a CNC lathe, so let's dive on in. A CNC lathe, short for Computer Numerical Control Lathe, is a marvel of modern machining technology. It's a specialized machine tool that transforms raw materials into intricate and precisely crafted parts. Let's break it down. First, you start with a solid piece of raw material. It could be metal, plastic, or even wood. The CNC lathe takes this raw material and turns it into a finished product with incredible accuracy. What sets the CNC lathe apart is its computerized control system. Skilled operators program the machine using specialized software, telling it exactly how to shape the material. This precision ensures that each piece produced is identical to the last, meeting the strictest quality standards. As the CNC lathe gets to work, it spins the material rapidly while cutting, shaping, and carving it with various tools. The result? Exquisite parts with tight tolerances and smooth finishes. One of the most significant advantages of CNC lathes is their versatility. They can create an array of components, from simple cylindrical shapes to intricate designs with complex contours. This makes them indispensable in industries like aerospace, automotive, and medical, where precision is paramount. Whether it's producing engine components, medical implants, or aerospace parts, CNC lathes play a vital role in shaping the world around us. And there you have it, a brief glimpse into the world of CNC lathes. These remarkable machines combine technology, precision, and craftsmanship to bring your ideas to life. So, the next time you marvel at a finely crafted part, remember, chances are a CNC lathe played a crucial part in its creation.